What's good, y'all? Master Yoshi here. I installed these mirrors upside down and on the wrong side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I installed them in the first place as I put them on the correct side. Drop the beat. As a disclaimer, this is how I did it. Not saying this is the right way to do it. I am no mechanic and I am no electrician. So if you decide to follow me, do so at your own risk. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, when you first get these mirrors, the wires terminate at the end of these two wires here, the red and the white. So I added a thicker gauge of wire to the end of them and I heat shrink them together after I twisted them together. You really should solder, but hey, didn't feel like doing all that. And then I added these bullet connectors to the end. You are also going to want to Dremel a little cutout here, so that way when the mirror is on the bike, the wire can go nice and flush under it. Like I said, I did these on the wrong side, so I'm gonna have to Dremel this side as well. And you wanna get it to where the wire can sit in it pretty flush. Damn, my fingernails is long. Yeah, disregard them. So as I said in one of my other videos, the previous owner replaced the original or the OEM turn signals with these flush mount ones. But the way they had it, let me show a picture first. No, I know I really should be soldering, but at least I heat shrink, man. The previous owner, they ought to be shot. And for the harness, he basically just had the two wires connected to each other like that. But what I did was, so I heat shrink these and then I kind of spliced them, I guess. So that way I could have two negatives and two positives. That way I could run both the flush mount and the mirror together. So the mirrors I got came with these little rubber things, and I used them because I thought they would help dampen the vibrations. Well, the adhesive melted onto my wrap, so don't use these. I'm just glad that I have a wrap, so I'll just be able to throw all this away and I have to worry about my paint being jacked up. But anyways, before I wrapped it, I obviously drilled a hole here, and this hole is to pass the wires through. And then I run them through here, down through here, that way they can be connected down there. You also have to loosen this so that way you can get some clearance here. And go ahead and thread these through. I'm gonna reuse this little rubber thing so it can cover up this ugly glue. Then you want to leave a little slack here, so that way your mirror can still move. We'll just follow this line here. All right, so now I'm about to plug it up. Got orange here, red here. So I'm gonna say orange goes to red, and that white goes to white. This other one is white, and so is this one here. Let's test it out. Good to go. So all that's left now is to hook up the side fairing and its flush mount turn signal and do the other side. So technically, I guess you could do it whichever way you preferred, but I do think it looks better this way, and I do think this is the way it was supposed to go. Thank y'all for watching, man. Y'all stay blessed. Don't be too stressed. Master Yoshi out. Peace.